Micah, you can actually do by subscribing to this channel, bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a new video. And this video is going to be short. I just want to round up all this we have seen these previous weeks or months that has run down people's account, run down people's money and all of that. So guys, I'll be updating you reviews about discounts programs that you can virtually avoid, or the ones that you need to do. I see them on a daily basis. There's a guy that normally bring them on a daily basis. I'll be reviewing them for you guys now. To run away from them. Run away from them. Run away. Run away. So guys, if you are new to the channel, we do crypto, we do affiliate copy, affiliate marketing, affiliate passive income, how you can actually earn from any of these programs that we promote here and all of that. Now, this is Validos. I always recommend you to go for Validos. It is one of the best and is currently the best as long as I know. It's currently the best. It's about cryptocurrency and earning passively without doing anything. So that is one of the things that happens on Validos. So you can actually check for yourself. The link is going to be in the description of this video to get on board. You want to be on Validos and all of that. So I just want to round up my conclusion. So far so good. We have FIREVIP. I actually made money here. You can see whenever you log into the app, this is what you see. You can still trade, you can still do whatever is called every day. You can still do it, but you can't get withdrawals. It's gone to the drain. I have 21,000 naira here so far. So good. Yeah. So a wonderful team. Thanks for everybody who used my link. Thanks for the team that came on board. And a wonderful team, and about 78 persons did registered. Total number of friends that did, everybody was 145. So it was a very good one. So you can see that nothing is happening here again. This has gone down to the drain. Gone down. Withdrawals, no way. If I should go to record, you see that on this very account here, I actually made money. I actually withdrew money. I actually recovered my money back from this particular system. I did withdraw like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So I actually made my money, but I actually started with 4,000 naira on this account. So that is it. So FIREVIP gone, and after FIREVIP went down to the drain, what happened? We now saw this new one called Huge. So Huge came on board again. This is it. It came on board. Barely. FIREVIP even lasted more than a month. Let's just say 3 to 4 months thereabout, if to my recall. So FIREVIP did very well, and I suspected that the same guys that did the same, maybe those that didn't get money in their team and all of that, decided to create this, and believing that this one was going to last again for like 3 months. That was my calculation. I was thinking my strategy for 3 months that we could actually make money and all of that. Wow, I didn't withdraw a dime from here. Not a dime. So you see now, this was shut down. This gone down to the drain again. Wonderful team, guys. Thank you guys for always following us whenever we drop every new thing. I know some of us made money here. If you didn't, if there's a comment there, you can drop your comment. Let's get to know and know how much you funded and all of that. So that's just it. So this again went down to the drain, and we had nothing to withdraw from this. Nothing. They came here with e-commerce, blah. If you check news now, you see city partners. I know it was all stories. Because I know I'm doing calculated risk, and I'm going inside not just because I want you two guys to follow, but just we need to make money. You understand? If you check what the economy is talking about, you just need to make money. So that's just the risky thing about this life. So if you don't make money, what do you do? Once you earn, it's not enough. So if you're earning one source of income currently as we speak in Nigeria, you know it is nothing to write home about. I'm telling you honestly, it's nothing to write home about. We buy things, we go to supermall to buy things every day, even as cheap as it is at supermall. You still know it's not coming easy. So if you're not earning income in several 4 or 5 ways, it took 4 garden to water, it took 4 rivers to water Garden of Eden. So God knows that you need more than 4 sources of income, at least 4, for you to make a living in Nigeria currently now. You need more than 4 sources of income. I'm telling you, all of them has to be passive. Then out of the 5th one, you can be fully involved by your normal regular 9 to 5 day job and all of that. But men, you need to make extra money. That is why we are doing all these things. If not, men, I don't want any guy, any dummy, any guy that doesn't want to do anything, that wants to make money, to come and take my money away. So that is the reason why we keep on hustling. We are hustling to make ends meet. Everybody wants a better life for his family and all of that. So you can see they now went to another one. Is it super node? So super note or super node? This is the one they are currently in now. This is it. So many people are already doing this one. I had an account here. I'm not funding, I'm not doing anything, I'm just saying for the purpose of this video. So I just had an account here. So I can log in here and show you some things here. And see, I'm not interested, I'm not promoting it, I'm already telling you it's red flag. I'm going to walk my own video through again through this. Some guys are already making money. I saw some guys withdrawing money from here. The same concept. They say AI, this is the a core of world technology development and intelligence industry, and is also as the most. Now this money you used to start, let's say you buy the 6 package. Okay, what is the lowest package? You get 170 daily income, 3,000 naira. The next one, 4 40 VIP one, 40 nm production line, 10,000. You get 555 a day. So this you see now. So even if it's real AI, can you use 3,000 to get a real AI robot in the market? It's very expensive, my dear. Down to V8, even doing as long as you can open September 21st. Okay, these ones are going to open September daily income. V6, 500,000, 300,000, 100,000, 50,000, 30,000, 10,000, so on and so forth. This is what they have. They say this is how they're making money. Okay, let's see mine. Let's see mine currently. You see, this is it. You see USDT address. They're doing USDT here too. Man, be careful if you are going in for this. My link is going to be there. Going in for this. Be careful. Interest, short-term fund, 500 naira, duration 7 days. Okay, let's see. If 500 naira, I can reach 500 naira for this. So if you do 500 naira, 20%, 500 naira, you get 100 naira 7 days. So okay, let's say you do. Okay, let's say you do 1,000 naira, you get 207 days. So this is just, if it's smaller amount, we can risk it too. Finance, other finance, you can see. Shall I digest this file and let you guys know? 50% long-term fund, medium fund, short-term fund, 20, 45, 90 days. So they copied some part of super sun power and all of that again. Solar. Currently, sun power is one of them that stand out. It's more than 2 months now. I'm not about sun power, and they are paying currently and they are working effectively. They have a physical office here in Lagos, in Africa, in Lagos. So you can actually go there and do your research yourself. If you want, my link is in the description. You can always get in contact with me on WhatsApp for me to share the information with you, the address of the office and all of that. So I have not funded this one, so I'm just checking it. I registered some few days ago. I'm just checking it to see how it looks like. Fine. What are they doing? They said we are officially partnering with cryptocurrency giant Binance. Fine. Is it real? No. I doubt. If you go to Binance now and you search for them now, it is nothing they are doing with Binance. Nothing, guys. Nothing. You see, understand now? They say recharge, download, customer service, bam. This is their packages here. You can see these are the packages here. I'm showing you guys here. These are packages here. And the packages, they are returned daily. So if it's really AI, it is too small. You need $100 minimum to get a good AI bot currently in the market that can work effectively and make good money. So this is it. From FIREVIP, they move up to huge. Now is super node, whichever way it's called, partnering with Binance, top up with USDT, get 5% top up bonus. Fine. If you want to risk, fine, you can risk. You cannot. I'll actually do something about it. Maybe check even it's $500 short term on their finance and see how it shall actually work. Guys, if you're new to this channel, thank you for watching. The bell icon, notification bell to get notified when I drop a new. It's very important, and I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.